Hello everyone, my name is Ron. I'm the IoT sales engineer for CTI Resources. Here today I will present to you Aveva Edge, which is one of our Aveva product, and then we will introduce you to a higher level of system platform. So at first, we will go into Aveva Edge, which is a line production. As you can see here, we have a very beautiful graphical design of a HMI, where you can view all your HMI data, your equipment data into one single report, generate it, and then we can go into another plant, which is the upgrade version of an overview. This plant consists of a lot of line. In a line, you can overview all the performance, including OEE and other important parameters. So with this particular plant overview, you can go into another upgrade of international level, such as plant view, where different plant is located at different location. You can view your overall performance, how much your energy is consumed, how much your carbon emission, and other important parameter. So with this overall wholesome system is powered by our ZTC Endurance, which is a full server where you can have a breakthrough of 99.999979% of availability. With this availability, you can estimate your downtime. You don't need to consider about any fault or any downtime that will affect your cost of operation. Right, so that's all today from me, from CTI Resources. I hope to see you guys from the future. Thank you.